At Fowler Toyota of Tulsa, our friendly, knowledgeable staff will treat you with respect you deserve. Cruise in today and check out the impressive new 2013 Camry. Bring one home with $5,000 off, plus attractive 0% APR financing. Own the road in a TSS Edition 2014 Toyota Tundra and latch on to an amazing $10 grand off. In the market to lease? Try the popular 2014 Corolla at the lease rate of $189 a month. Or pack in and go in a 2014 Toyota RAV4. It's ready for adventures at $199 on a monthly lease. Great deals, great service, and great people. That's what makes family-owned and operated Fowler Toyota of Tulsa a great choice for your car buying experience. Call, click, or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 6868 East Broken Arrow Expressway, Frontage Road in Tulsa, Oklahoma, or on the web at FowlerToyotaTulsa.com. Follow me to Fowler.